Welcome to this new Academy session. In the digital age, where wireless technologies like Wi-Fi and 5G dominate headlines, network cables remain the backbone of reliable, high-speed connectivity. Here's some history. The story of network cables begins in the late 20th century with the rise of computer networking. Early Ethernet cables, introduced in the 1980s, were thick coaxial cables used to connect computers in local area networks, or LANs. These cables supported just 10 megabits per second. As networking demands grew, twisted pair cables, specifically Category 3, Cat3, emerged in the 1990s, enabling faster speeds and more flexible installations. The shift to unshielded twisted pair or UTP cables marked a turning point, balancing cost, performance and ease of use, paving the way for modern Ethernet standards. Let's talk some more about types and functions. Today, those twisted pair cables are categorized from Cat5 to Cat8. Cat5e, an enhanced version of Cat5, supports speeds up to 1 gigabit per second. Cat5 and Cat6a offer higher bandwidth and speeds up to 10 gigabits per second, ideal for businesses and gaming enthusiasts requiring low latency. In homes, Cat5e or Cat6 cables connect routers to devices for stable internet access. In enterprises, higher-grade cables link servers, switches and workstations, ensuring robust LAN performance. Cat7 and Cat8, designed for data centers and enterprise networks, push boundaries with speeds up to 40 gigabits per second. Shielded twisted pair or STP cables, which reduce electromagnetic interference, are used in industrial settings or areas with heavy electrical noise. Let's talk innovations. Fiber optic cables dominate long-distance and high-performance applications. Unlike copper cables, which transmit electrical signals, fiber optics use light to achieve speeds exceeding 100 gigabits per second with minimal signal loss. Fiber's immunity to interference and vast bandwidth make it the gold standard for internet backbones and cloud computing infrastructure, enabling everything from video streaming to financial transactions. Looking ahead, innovations like Cat 8.1 and next-generation fiber optics promise to support emerging technologies such as 8K streaming, virtual reality and AI-driven data centers. And now for the cherry on the pie, let's talk about network cables in Hi-Fi. In high-fidelity audio systems, network cables play a crucial role in delivering pristine digital sound. Connecting streaming devices, servers and Hi-Fi components, cables like Cat6 or fiber optics ensure stable, high-bandwidth data transfer for lossless audio formats like FLAC or DSD. Unlike Wi-Fi, which can introduce latency or interference, quality Ethernet cables minimize jitter and signal degradation, preserving audio clarity. Shielded cables further reduce electromagnetic noise, vital in sensitive hi-fi setups. As streaming dominates music consumption, investing in reliable network cables remains essential for audiophiles seeking uncompromised sound quality in their pursuit of sonic perfection. Do we need premium network cables? We investigated. During our review period of the high-grade Silent Angel BON NX network switch, Genesis GX external clock and Forester FX adaptive power supply, we switched up standard network cables with Uhlbach's state-of-the-art high-end streaming network cables, Cat 8.1 type cables. Although it's very reasonable price of just €39.99 per piece, the results were significant. Increased dynamics, layering, and the more open soundstage assured a more pleasing listening experience. Yes, there are more exotic cables available on the market, like for example an AudioQuest Diamond Ethernet cable costing almost €1,400 per piece. We advise to use common sense and spend like 10 to 15% for cable accessories in comparison to the associated equipment. That's it for now. Class dismissed.